Hi, this is Brian Moore from White River Toyota. Want to say thank you so much for your business. I super appreciate it. One of the things that we want to make sure that I do is show you around our service department. One of the great things about today is that my service department happens to be closed, so I can show you the ins and outs really quick. So come take a sneak peek behind the scenes with me. Here is our service department. As you can see, we've got this little green light in this entrance door. So when you come in for service, just pull right on up to this door, carefully of course, and we will have it open right on up and pull you right inside. Here we are inside our drive lane here. So you pull your vehicle on up. Our staff of advisors are all seated over here. We'll also have porters that'll come out and greet you and make sure that we get you all set. This is where you'd be checked in, go over your service needs, make sure that we've got everything all set for you. And then I'll show you where you'd head off to go to the waiting area should you decide. That is this direction right this way. After you're checked in with our advising staff, we'll have you come and check out our waiting area. So here we go through here. We've got our nice seating waiting area. Christmas tree action. We've got our water there, coffee here. And if you like a little quiet time, ooh, check this out. Nice little quiet lounge, soft seating. And then back here, check this out. We have a nice little tucked away little office space. So if you need a little space to come and work, nice and quiet, you can do just that. So now we get to go to do the really exciting part, right? Behind the scenes, kind of like checking out the kitchen when you're going through to a restaurant. Well, this is where a whole bunch of our behind the scenes work happens here in our shop. So let's go take a peek and I'll show you just how seriously we take taking care of your Toyota. So let's go. The vehicle comes through, and then here is our shop. Now it's a little quiet today because we're closed, but I get to show you around what we do. So we've got our lifts here to handle our bigger trucks. We've got our alignment rack there, which is the laser alignment machine. We've got our other lifts here to handle SUVs, cars, small trucks. And this side, pretty amazing. We've got our tire center. So this is our mounting and balancing process. Right there, all the tools for our technicians to do their jobs. And then walking through, this has got some work that's still in process, in progress. You'll see those big hanging things down. That's for exhaust, so they can run the vehicles in here and make sure that everybody can still breathe. All right, and then these two here, this is a special area. This is where all of our certified pre-owned vehicles get checked over. 100%. So we have two dedicated employees that check over every one of our vehicles here for the certification process. And this is that workstation right here, dedicated. So why is the shop so important? Well, I'll tell you, there's a couple of reasons. Some of the biggest fears involved with folks are, gosh, you really don't want to take my car in and then learn that I got a whole bunch of stuff that I got to take care of just to pass inspection. That's a real common thing in this area. Our focal point is to keep your Toyota running and to have you come back to buy another Toyota. One of the biggest things that prevents that is those unexpected big-time bills. So it's not our job to make a paycheck off of you when you come into for your service appointment. It's our job to take care of your Toyota and keep it running and keep it going down the road. And that's our focal point, is to be your neighbor, take care of your Toyota just like it's ours. We're just local people helping local people, not trying to make a buck off of you every time you show up, right? We're in business, no doubt, but we're in business for our community. We're not just in business for a dollar. This really says it all here. White River Toyota, it's all about people. That's really our focal point. All right, once you're done with service, your car will be right here in the lane, ready for you to exit right out that exit door there. So thanks for taking a look with me behind the scenes into the service department here at White River Toyota. Thank you again so much. Super appreciate your business. Look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.